Good morning, y'all. It's 9:45. I'm about to pack the boys' lunches, and then I'm going to take them their lunch. So today they'll be having a rainbow naked, a fig bar, a Capri Sun, a peanut butter and jelly Uncrustable. Normally I give them the grape flavored Uncrustables, but today I'm going to do the strawberry Uncrustables. It doesn't have any red dye on there, so I'm okay with them having that. I don't think I have my napkins, but what I will do, I don't have no Ziploc bags either. So this is what they're going to have for lunch today. Something really simple, quick and easy. And I'm pretty sure they'll appreciate it and start eating the school lunch today. So, one is packed. I gotta pack the other one. I will do it in a minute. I'm thinking, should I give them? I was gonna do 2 Uncrustables, but I guess I'll do one. This instead of putting a naked in this one because I can't find the other one. I'm just gonna do another Capri Sun, and that's gonna be Jaheem's lunch. I will give him a muffin too, but the thing about that is I don't have like a napkin or anything to wrap it in to keep it moist. So we have some extra ones too. That's the thing. Excuse me. I need you to move. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to go drop the boys' lunch boxes off to them for lunch. One of their lunches is at 11:15, I believe, and then the other one's at 11:30. So that's what I'm about to do now.